Welcome to my Hanako-kun makeup tutorial. I start by applying eyelash glue all over my eyebrows. I know it seems weird, but believe me, it works. After the glue dried, I use setting powder to set the glue in place. Now we can conceal our eyebrows. I use a cream concealer similar to my skin tone to cover my brows efficiently as I can. When you are satisfied with your results, seal your eyebrows in place with setting powder again. Great, now we can start with foundation. The foundation I'm using is Hanako-kun foundation. In my opinion, their coverage is the best. Look at that coverage, it's so smooth. When you've finished applying foundation, set your face with setting powder. I only apply concealer in small areas, under the eye and near it, to make my face look more lifted. When you are done, set the concealer in place. Now for the blush. My favorite way to blush is cream blush. I apply cream blush on my cheekbones, near my eyes and on my chin to make my face look more full of life. Cream blush doesn't last that good, so I'm adding a little bit of powder blush to make the color pop a little more. Now for contour, I'm using a Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I'm drawing two lines on my cheekbones to sharpen them. By blending those lines, I can make my cheekbones look sharper and masculine. Blend those lines with a fluffy brush to make them look more natural. For jaw contour, I'm using the same brush as before. Follow your natural jawline shape with a brown color. Blend some eyeshadow down your jawline. For a sharp jawline, I apply setting powder over and under my jawline. Setting powder can make the colors look more prominent. Now for nose contour. I'm known for my nose contour, so follow these steps to get a nose contour like mine. As a base, I apply two brown lines, each on the side of the nose. Blend those lines. With a darker brown and a thin blush, I draw a V shape on my nose. Blend the V shape you created only on one side. The side you should blend is the side towards your cheeks. Blend your nose contour onto your eyebrows. With a concealer stick, I highlight my nose to help define it. Defined nose contour is a sharp nose contour. Adding a darker color and blending it can make the nose contour look more complete. Blend lightly the nose contour. By blending, you can give the nose a more natural look. Powder again to set my nose contour. Add pink eyeshadow on your nose tip for a cuter look. After I waited for a while, I brush off the setting powder. We are done with the nose contour. Don't forget to add highlighter. Let's start our eye makeup. For a base, apply eyeshadow all around your eye. I chose an orange color. Darker color near your eye. I use an orange-brown color. To create a cut crease, apply highlighter on your eye. Use a bright highlighter. Let's start our eye makeup. With a black pen eyeliner, I create a normal wing. After you are done with the normal wing, create a droop going downwards. Make the eyeliner thicker on the bottom. Make your outer corner of the eye bigger with eyeliner. Now, do the same on your other eye. Optional step is creating little eyelashes by tiny strokes. Those tiny eyelashes can enlarge the effect of bigger eyes. Add a little eyeshadow in the droop. I'm drawing my default brows for Hanako, but feel free to make any shape of brows you want. Create 2 bent lines for your eyebrows and fill them in. Now for the lips. With a dark purple, I'm creating a base color for my lips. Apply the lipstick on the center of your lips and blend it towards the sides. With a darker color, draw a V shape on your top lip and the M shape on your bottom lip. Blend those shapes. Add a little red eyeshadow on your center of your lips to make them look more cuter. make 2 brown lines, each on each side of your inner corners of the mouth. Now for the final touch, the eyelashes. Eyelashes can add very much volume to any cosplay and make the look feel complete. We finished our makeup. Don't forget to add your seal. And the wig. That's it. You're all done. Thank you so much for watching my makeup tutorial. Leave a comment below if you liked it and subscribe. Thank you.